Today we're taking you on a journey to one of the most unique and fascinating architectural wonders in the American Southwest. Taliesin West.
And we will be more animated, happy, positive, little more intense, so people understand how excited we are. Yay!
We're here. We'll see if it's nice. Otherwise, I'll blame Chica Checa for ruining our Sunday.
You have to be okay to get your Sunday ruined once in a while.
Located in the desert foothills of the McDowell Mountains in Scottsdale, Arizona, Taliesin West was the winter home and school of the famous American architect Frank Lloyd Wright.
Go ahead and put those on your shirts for me, and then right over there they'll help you set up the app and get you headphones and show you where to start.
Thank you.
Did you guys drive or Uber?
We drove.
All right, perfect. Just want to make sure because the gate will close a little before 5:30, so didn't want you guys to get stuck.
Okay.
Good to know. Thank you. Audio tour. I'm the Patagonia. They're hard. Okay, so there.
Downloading app?
Yes.
Is that accurate? Okay.
Yes. Here you go for yours. And is yours an Android too or an Apple?
Yeah, it's an Android.
Android?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
I do not have.
We were giving our audio guides. If you don't have headphones, they're gonna provide you some headphones, but you have to download an app, and then you can follow through the tour pretty much by yourself with the audio guide. It was here where Wright designed and built some of his most iconic works, including the Guggenheim Museum in New York City. As you approach the compound, you will see the stunning contrast between the rough, rugged desert landscape and the smooth, clean lines of Wright's buildings.
Taliesin West was meant to be winter class for students from Wisconsin. This is original Taliesin from Wisconsin. Frank Lloyd Wright visited Arizona. He loved this space, this area, weather and desert. He purchased this land and he brought his students to build practically school. You will see several spots where you can see petroglyphs, and this one is what inspired the logo. You see those squares and it's here. And this is two hands connected, and this symbol inspired the motif you will see throughout Taliesin.
This place is a true masterpiece of design, seamlessly blending into the natural environment. It's here where you truly get a sense of Wright's organic architecture philosophy, where the buildings are in harmony with nature. As we tour the various buildings, including Wright's own living quarters, the drafting studio, and the music pavilion, you can't help but be struck by the attention to detail and the use of natural materials such as local rocks and desert plants. You break it, you buy it.
Yes, it is all this. It's interesting, huh? The space.
Pretty cool. So far, so good. I'm struggling with the sticker. So far, what do you think is like the most interesting fact?
I think that you can see what Frank Lloyd Wright is doing the best. He is creating spaces.
He lets the environment dictate the design.
Yes.
Very cool, Chica Checa, very cool. I feel less dumb than what I was 5 minutes ago. One of the most impressive things about Taliesin West is that it was built by Wright and his apprentices, using mostly local materials and labor. It's a true testament to Wright's belief in the importance of sustainability and self-sufficiency.
They place them around the property to show you that the space is changing from garden to working space, from working space to private rooms.
Do you know what we were just saying, that we thought that he let the environment inspire the design?
Yes.
I just heard that on the tour.
You're so smart. There was actually a creek running through landscape. He used that creek and he built a house around it. He said that this area reminds him the bottom of the ocean.
And the pool over there is a triangular shape and was inspired by the mountains in the back.
I love what they're saying, that Frank Lloyd Wright is destroying boxes we are living in, and he is building these spaces which are completely different. They don't feel boxy. Restrooms.
They also have pretty clean restrooms, if that's something that you're concerned about. Pretty amazing, huh?
Yeah, and you can see this is the layout.
This was just super cool. If you're into architecture, this is a really cool spot to visit if you're in Phoenix, if you're in Scottsdale or in Arizona for a few days. And we recommend it.
For sure.
Taliesin West isn't just a museum. It's a living, breathing piece of history, and it's truly amazing to be able to experience it firsthand. If you're ever in Scottsdale or in the Phoenix area and want to see something truly unique and inspiring, make sure to check out Taliesin West. It's a true architectural gem and a testament to the genius of Frank Lloyd Wright.